Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. By this video, we gonna start learning about Python. By this playlist, we gonna learn Python with graphical understanding. If you got useful, subscribe to follow more. In this video, we gonna learn what is Python, why should we choose this language compared to other languages, and finally, how to install Python in your PC. Then, without delay, let's start. Okay. Let's start about Python language. Python is an advanced and popular programming language that makes coder to write simple code. For example, languages such as Java, .NET, C++, comparing. Python makes short and understandable code. What Python benefit for us? Python, completely free and open source. We don't need to pay or limit ourselves. Python works on different platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python is an interpreted language, which can run on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python is an object-oriented and high-level programming language. It can create small to large web or desktop applications with wide range of libraries and frameworks. Now, let's see, why should we choose this language? Python is fully interpreted language. It means the Python program is executed one line at a time. The advantage of being interpreted language, it makes debugging easy and portable. Python supports object-oriented language, and concepts of classes and objects come into existence. It supports inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation, etc. The object-oriented procedure helps the programmer to write reusable code and develop applications in less code. Python can perform complex tasks using a few lines of code. It also supports graphical user interface, which is used for developing desktop application. For example, Pyct5, Tkinter, Kivy are the libraries which are used for developing the web application. It provides a vast range of libraries for the various fields, such as machine learning, web developer, and also for the scripting. Django, Flask, Pyramids are the popular framework for Python web development. Python is easy to learn, as compared to other programming languages. Its syntax is straightforward, and much the same as the English language. There is no use of the semicolon or curly bracket. The indentation defines the code block. It is the recommended programming language for beginners. Before starting this course, let's know how to install Python in our PC. Step 1. Go to any browser from your PC. Step 2. Search as Python download. You can see the search results. In first link contains python.org. Step 3. Click on download button from the website to install latest version of Python. Note that you can install previous versions of Python from Download tab. To visible more list of versions, click link named as Show all previous versions. After download, just click Downloaded Python file. You will get a pop-up window. In this window, tick on Add to Path to store the Python in default path location. Wait for some time for complete installation. Here we go, we installed Python successfully. If you have doubt in confirm installation, go to Windows search bar and search as cmd and type command as Python version. You will get the Python version, and undoubtedly, Python installed successfully. That's all for today. In next video, we gonna see how to code in Visual Studio Code. Thank you dudes. Bye.